dyma Daniel. Dyma fi stori gyda Cymraeg I Blant a Cymraeg. I moved to Pembrokeshire last year in July from the East Midlands, having lived in England all my life, and came to Pembrokeshire and had my baby, and so I started coming to the Cymraeg I Blant groups, the Stori a Chan group and the baby massage group, and started coming just in part as something to do, but also to learn a little bit of Welsh. And I found that I really loved finding Welsh songs and phrases to use at home with Daniel. And I found it really easy to pick it up and to start learning some things. Sorry. To start learning some things to use at home. And so it also gave me the confidence to be able to go to the libraries and start taking out books in both Welsh and English, and to be reading those at home with Daniel, which further sort of grew my confidence and increased my vocabulary. And then I went to the Club Cwtch and learned even more phrases and useful vocabulary to use with Daniel at home, followed by a follow-on course to that as well. And I'm very excited. This week I'm starting off a Welsh for the Family course, which I'm really hoping is going to grow my vocabulary and grow my knowledge even more. I found that the Cymraeg I Blant groups really useful for meeting people who are first language Welsh and Welsh learners, and to be able to ask questions to them about the things that I find confusing in the language. I found that Welsh is just such a fascinating language to learn. I find the etymology of the language really interesting, and just how intertwined it is with English, and how it's such a base language for how English is formed. It's just so interesting and so fascinating. I'm really looking forward to learning more Welsh and really increasing my proficiency. I really hope that one day I will be able to say that I've mastered it. But in the meantime, I'm hoping to be able to support my son as he goes to school, which is probably going to be a Welsh language school. So yeah, hope for the future, and for a lot of joy at the moment. So I started to bring my husband along to the groups as well, so that he would have some understanding of the songs that we were singing at home, and for him to be able to start to learn the phrases and the songs that we're using at home, so that he wouldn't feel excluded, and so that we were learning it together as a family, rather than it just being me and Daniel. Coming to the Cymraeg I Blant groups has been a fantastic way of learning Welsh that is really practical to use at home, and I found it fantastic for just building my confidence in Welsh.